How to remove saved photos in Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove saved photos in Pinterest. For this, launch open the Pinterest app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to save a photo in Pinterest, simply tap on that photo. Then you want to tap on this save button over here. You get to add this in your different boards. So tap on the save to board option. You can create a new board as well if you want. Otherwise, simply select your old board. Now, once that is done, as you can see, the photo has been successfully saved. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the saved section now. Now, you simply want to open up the board in which you have saved the photo. Now, if you want to remove the saved photo, all you want to do is tap on that particular photo. Now, tap on these three dots. Then you want to tap on the edit pin option. Now at the bottom you have delete this pin option. Go ahead and tap on that. Then it will ask you for confirmation. On this box as well, tap on the delete option. And once that is done, as you can see, your saved photo has been successfully removed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.